You're all right. It's a Friday, and you know, it's a good day because I got a contract signed today. And I can't believe I'm saying this, but it has been a crazy, crazy rough week for me specifically. I was in negotiation with 2 sellers, and they all wanted me to just not assign the deal anymore. So those deals didn't work out. So I kind of felt defeated. I was like, man, like, you know, I'm spending all this money, you know what I'm saying, on marketing, and this is almost the end of the month. I haven't gotten any other deal under contract this month. So it's a rough month for me, okay? So, and on top of that, look, my car windshield cracked. What the, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, bro, it's just a rough week, man. I mean, my car's still looking sexy, right? I ain't gonna lie, you know what I'm saying? So what do? I'm gonna go ahead and celebrate my wins by, hold on, copyright. Celebrate my wins by eating some food. And bro, I'm not gonna go crazy because it's just a contract signed. It is not a deal. You know, I'm hoping there's profit because this is a new market that I'm in. You know, I don't have a set buyer in this market yet, so I'm kind of just like testing the field. I gotta celebrate at least getting a contract signed after failing 2 contracts. And on top of that, I also had to send out a cancellation today because I locked up a contract too high. And I found a buyer, but the buyer was so I locked it up at 150. I found the buyer was at 140. I went to the seller, I said, hey, we need to be at 125 to 130. They were like, no, 150 is the least that we can do. And basically I can't make that deal work. So I just sent out a cancellation notice. I'm glad it's Friday, even though I still work, but I am glad I at least got a signed contract. And I'm about to go get some food, man. So without further ado, let's go. Come on, man. You know, got some good, you know what I'm saying? Motivation, bro. I've gone through my fair share of issues and failures when it comes to this real estate and entrepreneurial thing. To be able to at least say, hey, I got a car out of it, and to be able to say, yo, you know, made some crazy money, did a lot of travels. It's a blessing. It's a beautiful thing, but it is tough. I have lost a substantial amount of money, but we continue to move forward. And I was actually talking to one of my mentors today, and I was just talking about some of the issues that I'm having, and you know, some of the you know, the blocks that I'm going through right now in this season. Like, bro, like 3 months ago, the last 3 months I made 50K, right? So I mean, it's relatively not that much money, but it's like, you know, I made some good amount of money. So when I get into this period of time where it's really slow, I start panicking. Because, you know, when I make more money, I'm like, yo, I want to spend more money. And so I spend more money. And so that makes me want to make more money. And I'm talking about spending money, yeah, both in business and personal, right? Like I'll go take a trip. I'll go, you know, I'll increase maybe a marketing budget. I'll hire somebody, like, you know, I'll buy software, things like that. You know, buy coaching, mentorship, like things like that. I'm like, yeah, it's good. And I'm like, oh, let's go. And then a slow month, and I'm like, you know, I don't know, man. That's just been my entrepreneur journey. I know I can be better, but it's just how it is. So, you know, we're adjusting to the new. Usually summer is pretty slow, and you know, there's seasons to this stuff, bro. Summer is usually pretty slow, and winter, fall, and spring are usually like really nice. So this is expected, of course. I'm not panicking yet until I start seeing 2 months, no profit, no revenue. Damn, I was trying to get a seat at like the bar or something. I was heading home, and all of a sudden, I get an email from my team talking about they locked up a deal. Bro. You know what's so crazy is you can go through like periods of pain, and you're thinking like, oh my God, like, am I gonna make it? Is this life for me? Like, you know, you're like on the verge of quitting, right? But you continue, you keep going, you stay strong, and all of a sudden, boom, just like a whole wave of positivity, a whole wave of like of activity that pushes you forward. That's what I realize about real estate and about entrepreneurship, because it's like, bro, not every single day is gonna be a great day. You know what I mean? Like, you're gonna go through periods of time of extreme anguish, periods of time of just things not working out in your favor, right? And it's up to you to decide, are you gonna let temporary defeat stop you from achieving ultimately what you want to achieve? Or are you gonna push it through? That's exactly how I was feeling when I was starting out wholesaling real estate, because I was doing pretty much essentially everything that they told me to do, but I just wasn't seeing results. And I just had to keep telling myself, like, bro, just keep going. Bro, what's the alternative? What really is the alternative? Oh, I'm gonna give up and I'm gonna, go back and work for somebody else and have them tell me what to do and face same challenges and face same issues. Like nah, bro. Like I prefer to struggle for a little bit and live life on my own terms. I at least wanted to share this experience with you. Oh, if you don't believe me, by the way, that my team just got a deal locked up on the contract, I'm about to show it to you right now. On a Friday, I'm off work, happy hour, getting some drinks, chilling. They're like, yeah, oh yeah, we got this deal on the contract at the price that you wanted it. It's a blessing, man. It's a blessing. No matter what you're facing, guys, just keep going.